This is the part 2 of the previous weapon framework tutorial. If you haven't watched that first video, then watch that video first. Link is over the I button. Go first and check out that. Then proceed to this video. At first, we are reminding the disclaimer for you that this video is for cybersecurity education and red team research only. All environments used are temporary, self-deployed, and under full control of the author. No unauthorized access or exploitation is performed. So let's get started. At first, look at the previous beacon. This is totally in readable form, which anyone can read the contents of the beacon. So let's obfuscate the beacon with the help of this obfuscate option. Now our beacon has been successfully obfuscated. Now let's upload it into our victim machine. Now you can see that our obfuscated beacon has been successfully overwritten the previous normal beacon. So now let's execute this obfuscated beacon. Now let's check our defender. You see it has been updated to latest security patch. Now let's check all the security options also. You see it is fully secured, and also it haven't any exclusion path. So now let's execute any command. For the demonstration, let's create a directory over desktop of our victim machine. You see that we remotely created a directory into desktop. Now let's go through the directory and create a txt file for testing. We have successfully created a text file into that directory. Now let's check that download command is working or not. For that we just downloaded that test.txt. Sorry, we have opened the previous text, txt. Let's open the test, txt. Now let's upload some new thing to this machine. You can also upload some executables. But for the demo, we're just uploading a txt file. Let's upload this proxy lists.txt. So let's copy the path of the file. And then give a name that should be renamed the upload. For the example, I am giving the name proxies, txt. Now let's see something new stuff. Let's see the running tasks over the victim machine. You see, we have also see all the task name, sessions, PID, and memory usage by each task. Now let's execute the netstat command to see the network-related informations. At the last, we want to show you that this encoding is just a base 64 encoding which can be reversed by any knowledgeable person. So if you want to obfuscate it and want to make it harder to reverse engineer, then comment down below for the part 3. In the part 3, we will discuss that how to encode it with my own created custom encoder. So this is for today.